Cook 2 cups of sticky rice, like sushi rice or short grain, and let it cool completely. In a large bowl, mix the cooled rice with 3 tablespoons of soft cheese, like cream cheese or labneh, and 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup to make it sticky and sweet. Divide the sticky rice mixture into 3 small bowls. Add a tiny pinch of natural food coloring, use turmeric for yellow, a dash of beet powder for pink-red, or spinach powder for green, to each bowl and mix until the color is bright and even. Take small square molds, a clean ice cube tray works perfectly, and firmly press the colored rice mixtures into the molds. Make sure to pack the rice tightly so the cubes hold their shape. Ask a grown-up to cover the tray and place it in the freezer for 30 minutes or the refrigerator for 1 hour. This chilling time helps the cubes set and become sturdy. Pop the colorful rice cubes out of the molds and stack them up. You can serve these edible bricks plain or dip them in a little yogurt, whipped cream, or jam. Time to build and eat.